Hi, this is Jerrold. I have completed Amazon Solution Architect Associate Certificate at FITA Academy, and my trainer name was Bharat. He just got me through all the theoretical concepts of Amazon services, which were included in my training program. I had a clear go through on all the tools and knowledges about what all the things happening on the cloud basis using the Amazon services. He was very well with that, and we also eventually had some practical sessions and hands-on experience on most of the Amazon services. But still, after the training completed, I still requested for additional practical sessions, which I want to have. And the mentor named Banu from FITA Academy has arranged me more practical classes, and with that, I was able to gain some real hands-on experience on the tools and services on the AWS platform. And once I have got the certification from FITA, I also pursued to complete the Universal Amazon certificate, and they also have helped to complete the Universal certificate from the Amazon platform. And after that, I also opted for their placement program, where I have been referred for about two to three companies, and the last company was Reddington India Limited, which is located at Gindi, and I was now selected as a cloud trainee at that company, Reddington, and it's really good to start up my career. I was in a verge of switching my domain. Previously, I was working as IT engineer, and now I've been changed to domain with the help of FITA's training academy. And it was really a good experience all over being there connected with FITA. So I would really, what to say, I would recommend this training academy to my friends as well as my relatives and all the co-workers and colleagues who are they needed to get trained on specific IT programs and certifications. Yeah, thank you.